And turn off audio. Gul Bajaj, turn off audio. Now you see the question 8. Here, express the following numbers in the form P upon Q. It is a recurring decimal, and this recurring decimal you have to change in the form P upon Q, where P and Q both are the integers. P and Q both are the integers. So see here, what is the procedure of doing such type of questions? So what is the procedure? First you assume it equal to x. So x equals to 0.3333 and so on. It's clear? Now what is the repeated part here? What is repeated part? कौन सा part?
3.
तो हम क्या करेंगे? Keep the decimal once. Keep the decimal. Just before the repeated part. And then just after repeated part. Just after repeated part. By multiplying with 10 or 100 or 1000. Yes. It's clear. मतलब क्या करना है, एक बार डेसिमल को हमको रिपीटेड पार्ट के जस्ट पहले रखना है और एक बार क्या है जस्ट बाद में. You can see here repeated part is 3. What is the repeated digit? It is 3. यहाँ already ये पहले है. Here it is already before the repeated part. So now you have to shift it just after the repeated part. मतलब कहां से कहां लाना है, हमको यहां से यहां लाना है. किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे बताओ?
10x.
Will multiply by 10. So see here 10x. 10x कितना हो जाएगा? 3.333 and so on. What is x here? 0.3 and so on. Now you subtract. When you will subtract, what will you get? 9x.
9.
And when you will subtract here, it will become 3.0. So what is x?
1/3.
1/3. 3/3.
1/3. It is clear? Now you see one more. मतलब क्या करना है? Once the decimal point will be just before the repeated part, and then decimal point will be just after the repeated part. And how will you do this? By multiplying with 10, 100, 1000 जैसे. Now you see one more. X equals to 0.134. Now what is the repeated part here?
Sir, 34.
34. और अभी डेसिमल पॉइंट कहां पर है?
सर 1 से पहले
1 के पहले हमको कहाँ लाना है?
सर 34 के पहले
34 के पहले मतलब यहाँ लाना है। किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा?
सर 10 से
100.
फिर कहाँ ले जाना है डेसिमल पॉइंट को? यहाँ से
34.
यहाँ
Yeah.
34
34 के जस्ट बाद किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे?
100.
3 डिजिट्स है, 3 डिजिट्स है,
1000
so 1000. 3 digits है,
1000
so 1000. It is clear? So you can see here. We will find out 10x. 10x equals to 1.343434 and so on. It's clear? And then 1000x. It will be 134.3434. It's clear? Now see here. इस चीज को अब यहां पर हम लिखें. So when you will write it is 10x. It is 0.34, no, 1.3434.
Sir, your audio is not clear.
Now you subtract. Am I audible?
yes
Yes,
sir
sir.
Yes, sir.
Subtract.
Yes, sir.
So it is 990x equals to, when you will subtract 133.0. So what will be x here?
1 at 133 upon 990.
क्या ये कैंसिल होगा ऊपर नीचे?
No, sir.
no sir
No, sir.
No. So answer will be 133 upon 990.
990
It's clear? Now you
Yes,
see
sir.
one.
Yes.
For example, here you take 1.32. You take it equal to x. So x equals to 1.32. What is repeated part here?
2.
2.
2 means
2.
अब हमको क्या करना है? What is the position of decimal here?
Sir, before 3.
Before 3. और तुमको रखना कहाँ पर है?
after 3
Before 2. यहाँ पर लाना. यहाँ लाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा?
Sir,
Divide by 10.
multiply by 10
Divided by 10 or multiplied by 10.
multiply
multiplied by 10.
10.
Then you have to bring here. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा?
Multiplied by 100.
100. It's clear. So see here, पहले हम 100 करना है. 100x. 100x it will be 132.222 and so on. And then 10x equals to, it is 13.222 and so on. Now you subtract. When you will subtract, what will you get?
90.
90x
90x equals to, this is equals to how much?
119.
119.
119.
It's clear? So what is x?
Yes, sir. 119 upon 90.
क्या कैंसिल होगा? No.
No.
So what is the answer?
119.
9 upon
119 by
90.
Now listen here. So this way you can change the recurring decimal in P upon Q form. इस तरीके से हम recurring decimal को P upon Q form में change कर सकते हैं. This is clear? Now
Yes, sir.
see here.
Yes, sir.
without, there is one rule to identify without actual division. Whether a given fraction has terminating decimal or recurring decimal. Means, how will you know without actual division, without division perform किए हुए, बिना डिवीजन किए हुए हम कैसे पता करेंगे that whether a given fraction is having terminating decimal or recurring decimal? Recurring means non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating repeating.
Recurring.
Without performing actual division. So see here, first write what is the rule. Fraction in simplest form. Simplest form means, suppose it is given 18 upon 20. Whether it is in simplest form? No. Whether it is in simplest form? So it is
No,
not
sir.
in.
No,
simplest.
sir.
How will you make it in simplest form?
By
2
dividing
9
By
2 9 upon 10.
10.
It's clear? In
Yes, sir.
simplest form, it will be 9 upon 10. It's clear? Now see here. So first write the fraction in simplest form. Then if denominator of fraction has its prime factors as 2 and or 5 only, then it has terminating decimal. It has terminating decimal. Means, if the denominator of the fraction is having factors as 2 and 5 only, it has the factors as 2 and 5 only. It's clear? Then it is having terminating decimal. It's clear? But if it has factors other than 2 or 5 also, then recurring. Yes. Then it will have recurring decimal. Now you can see here, if the denominator has its factors as 2 or 5 only, then terminating. But अगर 2 और 5 के अलावा भी कोई दूसरा नंबर हो as factor, then it will be recurring. Now you can see one example here. For example, 15 upon 400. Whether it is in simplest form?
No, sir.
How will you convert 5 3 ja, 5 8 ja? It's clear. Denominator is 80. Now you do the prime factors of 80. So see here, 2, it will be 40, then 2, it is 20, then 2, it 10, then 2, 5, and then 5 बन जा 5. मतलब इसके फैक्टर्स क्या है? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Is clear? So here all the factors of denominator are in the 2 and 5. All the factors of denominator are in the 2 and 5. Therefore, it is a having what type of
Reoccurring.
decimal?
Reoccurring.
Terminating. So you write down as denominator as all its prime factors. Prime factors means prime numbers. Prime factors as 2 and 5. Therefore, it has terminating decimals. It is what type of decimal? Terminating. Now you see one more question. 31 upon 243. Whether it is in simplest form or not, who can tell?
Sir, simplest form.
It is in simplest form, nothing is count. Denominator is 243. Now you do the factors of 243. So 3 8 ja, 24, 3 1 ja, then 27, then
7,
9,
9, 3,
then means
3, 1,
3 into 3 into 3 into
2, 3, into 3, into 3.
you can write as the factors of denominator are other than 2 and 5. Therefore, it has what type of decimal?
Reoccurring decimal.
Recurring decimal.
Reoccurring.
Right? As denominator has its factors other than 2 and 5. Therefore, it has recurring decimal. Its decimal is recurring. This is clear. Now you can see one more. All of you see here. Question number this. Question number 3 in your book. Question number 3. Exercise 1.3. Question number 3. Here it is 77 upon 210. Whether it is in simplest form?
Yes, sir.
It is not in simplest form. It is
No,
not
sir.
in simplest form.
Simplest.
Sir, your voice is coming very slowly.
Very slowly. Now,
Yes, sir.
now it is coming.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So see
Yes,
here,
sir.
you cancel by 7. 11 upon 30. Arnav Tiwari, you turn off audio. 11 upon 30. It's clear. What is denominator? It is 30. Now you do the factors of 30. 15. Then so it is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. Now you can see here denominator is having factors other than 2 and 5 also. तो 2 और 5 के अलावा कौन सा फैक्टर है? 3. Therefore it will have what type of decimal?
Reoccurring.
Non-terminating.
As denominator has factors other than 2 and 5. Therefore it has recurring decimal. कैसा डेसिमल है? Recurring decimal. This is clear. So now you
Yes,
can
sir.
see in your book. Now question number 1 you can leave just now. अभी तुम question number 1 को छोड़ो. Now see the question number 2. Write the decimal expansion of each of the following numbers and say what kind of decimal expansion each है. मतलब सबका हमको decimal representation लिखना, मतलब decimal में कैसा होगा. लिख लोगे डिवाइड करके. You can write all of you see question number 2. Have you seen? तुमको किसमें लिखना है? किस तरीके से लिखना है?
Decimal expansion.
Decimal expansion. Now see here 36 upon 100. What will you write?
0.36.
0.36.
0.36. Now this is what type of decimal? Recurring or
Terminating.
terminating. So you write down terminating
Terminating.
decimal. It's clear. Now you see one more 4 whole 1 upon 8. It's clear. 1 upon 8 तो
23
सबको
upon
मालूम
8.
है कितना होता है. 1 upon 8 is in decimal it is 0.125. 0.125. So it will be 4.125. It is what type of decimal?
Terminating.
That's terminating.
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 Now you see here 3 upon 30. So we will do the division. You can do. हम बता रहे हैं कैसे करेंगे. So it will go how many times? So first it will go 0 times. So 3, then you carry this 0, 30. Now it will go how many times? 13 2 ja 26.
26.
26.
फिर you carry 0. 13 3 ja
39.
1. You carry this 0. It will go 0 times.
0.
Then you carry this. Then 13 7 ja 91. So it will
Yes,
be,
sir.
it's clear.
9.
Then you carry this 0. Then after this 13 6 ja 78. 78 to 12. It's clear. Then you carry next 0. Then 13 8 ja 13 8 जा 114.
Yes,
And
sir.
104. Then 13 9 ja 117. Yes. Then 3. Now after this once again same thing will repeat. फिर से वही चीज repeat होगी. It's clear? The same thing will repeat here. You will take 0, so that 30 means it will be once again 2 3 0 7 6 9. So when you will write, it is 0.230769. It is what type of decimal?
Non-terminating.
Reoccurring.
It is recurring decimal.
Reoccurring.
Reoccurring decimal.
This is recurring decimal. So see here, question 1 2 3. This you can do. Question number 4, ये हमने अभी explain किया है. Without actually performing the long division, you can see in your book. Without actually performing the long division, find if 967 upon 10,500 will have terminating or non-terminating repeating decimal. So here also you will do the same thing. हम क्या करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर के फैक्टर्स करेंगे. अगर डिनोमिनेटर के सभी फैक्टर्स 2 and 5 हैं, देन टर्मिनेटिंग. बट 2 और 5 के अलावा भी हैं, देन व्हाट टाइप?
Non-terminating.
Non-terminated.
That case it will be recurring. Question number 5 also. Write the decimal. All of you see in your book, because this will not be clear on the screen. So all of you see in your book. Write the decimal expansion of the following numbers which have terminating decimal expansion. पहले तो हमको फाइंड आउट करना है इसका टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल, एंड देन उसको हमको कैसे लिखना है, डेसिमल के फॉर्म में लिखना है. इट्स क्लियर? मतलब क्या करना है इस क्वेश्चन में, पहले तो पता करें कि टर्मिनेटिंग है कि नहीं, और अगर टर्मिनेटिंग है तो डेसिमल फॉर्म में फाइंड आउट करना है. सो यू कैन सी हियर. Here you can take question number 5, second part. 13 upon 3125. अब देख लो, nothing is common in numerator and denominator. It is in simplest form. So you do the factors of 3125. 5 6 ja 31, 5 2 ja 10. 5 5 ja 125, 25. Then it is 1. So you can see here 13 upon 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see, as all the factors of denominator are 2, therefore it has terminating decimal. It has terminating decimal. It's clear? Now all of you see here. Now you have to convert it into decimal. R5, denominator R5. As all the factors of denominator are 5, therefore it had terminating decimal. तो सब लोग देखें. Now all of you see here. We will not divide. हम एकदम से डिवाइड नहीं करेंगे, बिकॉज जिस चीज से डिवाइड करना वो नंबर बहुत बड़ा है. दिखाई दिया ना 3125. हमको डिवाइड किससे करना 3125. इट इज ए वेरी बिग नंबर. व्हाट विल यू डू? ये कितना है बोले 25. ये कितना है
25. 25.
and
5.
now all of you see here. This is what? This is 5. 25, 25 and 5. It is clear? 25 into 25 into 5. We will not divide by 3125 because it is a very big number. So I am telling you one trick. How will you do by that trick? By which number you multiply to this so that it becomes 100?
4.
4. You multiply by 4. It's clear? So what will you do? 13 into 4. You have to multiply in numerator as well as in denominator. Similarly, this 25 also you multiply by what number?
4.
4.
By 4.
4.
So it will be 25 into 4. Then by which number you multiply to this 5 so that it becomes 100?
20.
20.
20. So
20.
20 you will multiply in numerator by 20 and in denominator also 20. It's clear? Now you see here 13 4 ja. What is 13 4 ja?
52.
52.
62.
24 ja. 4 into 20.
80.
80.
80.
80.
You can see here 25 4 ja. 100.
100.
100.
100.
100.
100.
100.
Now as you know that division by 100 is very, very simple. Now see here. First you simplify numerator 0. 8 2 ja 16. 1. 8 5 ja 40 and 41. This is 100 into 100 into
100.
100.
this will be cancelled. It's clear? So this is what? 416 upon 100 into 100 into
Into 100.
10.
Into 10.
clear?
Into 10.
Now all of you see on the next page, or you see here. Yes. So this is 416 upon 100 into 100 into 10.
Into 100.
Where is the
into
decimal
10.
point at? Where is the decimal point?
0.0416.
Just listen here. If the decimal point is not there, then it will be just after the unit place. What is unit place? 6. Decimal will be here. When here there are how many zeros? 2, 2, 4, 1, 5. You shift decimal point 5 place back. There are how many places here? 1, 2, 3.
3.
Reach the 5 place. Okay.
5.
There are how many zeros? 5.
5.
You shift this decimal point. Turn off audio. Raj Kapoor. Raj Kapoor, turn off audio. Now see here. Here you will shift the decimal point how many places? 5 places. So it will be 0.00416. It's clear? 0.00 because there are 5 zeros. Decimal point is this. So you shift 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it will be 0.00416.
6.
It's clear? Subhraj Kapoor,
Yes, sir.
you turn off your audio. Your video as well as audio both is up. So listen here. So you will do up to the question number. Up to question number 6 I have explained. Not 6, 8th also I have explained. So in exercise 1.3, you will do up to the question number 8. Tomorrow we will once again connect. Now its recorded video will be uploaded soon. Recorded video of class will be uploaded. Let me take the attendance.